Here we are again, a new day, a new stage, right at the halfway point of this adventure full of surprises. Our long-distance runners set off with a gift, a stunning coastal path, endless views and dreamlike coves such as Cala Streta or Cap Roig. The route leads us to Calella de Palafrugell, an old fishing village that has preserved its true essence: white houses, narrow streets and boats resting by the shore. And here, the short distance race begins.
We don't know the route, so we'll see. Let's hope a bit more easy than the last part of yesterday. And you?
Today, yeah, it's good weather, so it will be a nice walk.
The course keeps surprising us with unique landmarks, but it's not all beauty. The climbs start to burn, the leg-breaking sections take their toll, and long beaches push every runner to their limits.
If this race will be a movie, it will be a love story, a movie horror, or an adventure one.
Wow.
No, lovely movie. Yeah, look, my wife is just over there. So wonderful movie.
Look, that's an interesting microphone.
You like it? It's the official one from Costa Brava.
Awesome. Look, I'm eating one.
You think you are ready for this?
Yeah, give me the banana.
Because you know what is coming now?
I know. That's why I feel to stay here much better.
And after it all, the reward, the finish line in Les Tartines.
So what are you going to do to recover from this day, Nela?
We use the gun, the massage gun.